Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to make stickers on Canva to sell. Stickers are fun, creative, and can even become a great business opportunity. Let's go step by step so you can design market-ready stickers that stand out. First, log into Canva and click on the Create button. From the design options, search for and select sticker, or choose a sticker shape like circle sticker. Canva automatically sets the right dimensions so you can start designing quickly. Now browse Canva's collection of sticker templates. You'll find lots of styles, from playful and cute to minimal and bold. Pick one that fits your niche or audience. This is where creativity comes in. You can change the colors to match your brand palette, swap out graphics, and adjust fonts for a personal touch. Canva's drag and drop tools make it simple to customize everything. If you want something truly unique, click on Uploads in the left panel to bring in your own images, logos, or illustrations. Mixing Canva elements with your own artwork is a great way to make your sticker stand out. Use Canva's alignment and spacing tools to make sure everything is centered and balanced. Small adjustments can make your sticker look much more professional. Once you are happy with the design, click Download. Choose PNG format for the best image quality. Make sure to check the transparent background option if you want print-ready cutout stickers. Now your stickers are ready to go. You can upload them to e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or your own online store. Or if you're printing at home, send them to your printer using sticker paper. And that's it. You've learned how to design and prepare stickers on Canva to sell. With practice and creativity, you can build a collection that customers will love.